you guys, it's Shundara. What is up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. And in today's video, we will be using Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. So 2 ounces of this moisturizer will run you $39, and 0.85 ounces of this moisturizer will run you $21, and 0.3 flow ounces, 10 milliliters of this moisturizer will run you, I don't know, I got it at a kit. It's Sephora and I've been using it for a week, so I decided to go ahead and review it for you guys. But before we get into that, we're gonna do a demo. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna swatch it. So here's the moisturizer. That is what it looks like. Oh my God, I'm all the way on the hat, not even on my head. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see? And yeah, that is the swatch and the texture of it. That is the moisturizer. And it is the Pink Juicy, just in case y'all like to say, you lying, it's not Pink Juicy. That's the Pink Juicy moisturizer. Okay, so smelling the product, it smells just like their watermelon mask, except it doesn't have that faint smell of alcohol. So if you don't like that faint smell of alcohol that the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask has, this one doesn't have it at all. It's just a juicy watermelon. Now let's go ahead and slather this all on my face. I'm gonna show y'all what I've been doing for the week. And I have been layering with this product, but my skin is bare with nothing on it, just the light, gentle skin cleanser. So yeah, let's slather that baby. So I know you guys, I've been using way less product than this, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So I had to use a lot. QVC, you know, one of those ladies at QVC. Oh yeah, this is how much product you need. Yes, yes, yes. QVC uses a ton of product, y'all. So y'all be at me. They douse it. Let me get my neck. Okay, you guys, so this is what my skin looks like with the moisturizer on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it dry down. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I do want to say this. I did let the moisturizer sit for 10 minutes, and this is what my skin looks like. Okay, here's my cheek. Here's my other cheek again with the light lower. Here is my chin. You guys, let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about the Pink Juicy moisturizer. It is an oil-free moisturizer. They did market it as a moisturizer. In my personal opinion, is it a moisturizer? No, it's more of a serum. It doesn't give me that hydration I need, but it gives me a wonderful glow that I would expect for a serum. However, I will say this, if you have oily skin, you would probably enjoy this as a moisturizer. So let's talk about the skincare types that will really enjoy this moisturizer. Like I said, oily skin would enjoy this moisturizer. Acne prone skin will enjoy this moisturizer, depending on if you look at the ingredient list. If there are certain ingredients on the list that can be irritants to your skin, you may want to stay away. I like when people say, oh, this is an ingredient that's an irritant. Oh, this ingredient is an irritant. At the end of the day, the whole ingredient list is full of irritations. Shea butter can irritate some people's skin, as well as vitamin E oil, as well as glycolic acid, you know. So every ingredient on the list can be an irritant to your skin. So just look at the list to make sure nothing on the list will break you out. However, I will say it is a clean beauty product. So y'all know I'm a real proponent of clean beauty, so I'm not about to sit here and bash the clean beauty movement that's going on, okay? So I'm gonna just say in the back of my head, because it's clean beauty, you don't have that much to worry about. That's me saying it and my bias on clean beauty. Other than that, I made that disclaimer. With that being said, it is winter time, so this is not really a great moisturizer, even for people with oily skin, because I just feel that it's gonna dry down really quickly and you're gonna need to layer with another moisturizer. So just be prepared to layer with something else. However, if you are using a glycolic acid plus this serum, I think that's a wonderful combination to keep up with the hydration, so you don't have to worry about it drying down as much, and then a heavy moisturizer when you go out. However, this moisturizer does need to be layered. If you're a huge fan of Glow Recipe, I think you would enjoy this moisturizer. I personally felt over the week it didn't give me that sort of pilling that their sleeping mask does. If you haven't tried their watermelon sleeping mask, it gives you sort of this pilling, and it's because they added a lot of hyaluronic acid. This does have hyaluronic acid in it, but it does not give you that pilling. I think people who live in humid climates would enjoy this. If you are in wherever you are in this earth, here in the US it's winter time, but if you are somewhere else where it's nice and warm and it's summertime, you would enjoy this moisturizer, especially if you are a huge sweater. I think you would love this moisturizer. When I was working out and I added this moisturizer to my skin, I felt that it was not heavy, and because I was sweating, because y'all know you already know I'm not even about to go on that rant, but when I was sweating, I did feel that this moisturizer did not like get in my eye. Some moisturizers get in my eye. It's hard to just wipe them off. It didn't clog my pores after a workout, so I am happy for this moisturizer. However, if you are going out in this dry, arid winter climate, you may want to be careful with this moisturizer, because this is not going to be the only moisturizer you need. You're gonna have to get a heavy duty one. A heavy duty one, girl. Girl, I'm telling you right now, get you a heavy duty moisturizer. However, you know, I am going to give this moisturizer a 3 out of 5. I like the smell. Looking online, I like the packaging. Is semi-affordable for clean beauty, so I am going to give it a 3 out of 5. However, in my personal opinion, you can do without it. I think they should have marketed it more as a serum, because on Sephora's website it says this is for all skincare types. Now I'm starting to think every brand and a mama always saying all skincare types. I just think that's normal for brands to do now. But you know, now I want to say this. This is not to diss the brand. You guys know I love their sleeping mask. This is about this one product. I personally could live without it. I'm glad I got a sample that I was allowed to try in the kit to give me my final decision. Was I gonna purchase a major one and do a review for y'all? And I decided no, it wasn't worth it. However, I do think if you have oily skin and you are looking for a moisturizer, a new moisturizer, you would enjoy this moisturizer. I haven't gotten a blackhead yet, and I haven't gotten a blackhead this whole entire week. Now, if you are getting blackheads or you are breaking out, it could be because you're layering with a lot of things, and sometimes you need to layer with just 3 more things, not 20 more things. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say on that, and I'm gonna leave it at that, because you know, some of y'all get an attitude when I be critiquing y'all skincare regimes. With that being said, I also think people who want to try something new in the oily skin and acne prone skin category, I think you would enjoy this moisturizer. That being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. I love you guys so much. Also, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.